Hello and welcome to another tutorial here. Today we'll be going over how to start using DigitalOcean's one-click installation apps. And today we'll more specifically talk about the Ruby on Rails app. So let's get started by entering a hostname, and I'm just going to name this Ruby on Rails. And I'm just going to select the default size of 512 megabytes, New York 2. And then I'm going to go to where it says select image. I'm going to select applications, and in this tutorial we'll talk about the Ruby on Rails. Okay, and I am going to use my SSH key I've defined in a previous tutorial, and I'm going to go ahead and create this droplet. Okay, this droplet will create, and it takes approximately 55 seconds. Sometimes it can be a little bit more depending, and I will pause this video until this is all done setting up. Okay, welcome back. Ruby on Rails has finished installing here, and it's on the droplet now. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my PuTTY, and I already happen to have the server loaded up. This is the same IP address as the previous tutorial I had. So I'm just going to load that and press open. And I am going to press yes, and most likely you will not have that same error I did. So when we first went ahead and connect to our server, we see we have a little bit of documentation here. So what we can do here is we can go ahead and read through this. We can see how DigitalOcean's default Ruby on Rails application has been installed. We can see it from this IP address, so let's go ahead and navigate there. So we can go ahead and just click on the window and do Control-C. Well, I did not mean to do that, but it's here, but it will still be pasted to your clipboard. It's just not the proper way to do that. Okay, there's a space in between that 3 and that 2. Just make sure there's no spaces in your IP address. And we can see how there's the DigitalOcean Rails application, and you can see where your files are located. So you can go ahead and connect to your server using SFTP I mean, and you can go ahead and edit your files, or you can use SSH, or any of those additional ways of editing files. You can also use command line, whatever you want. In another tutorial coming up here, in a couple more tutorials after get done all the application tutorials, I'll have a video on how to SSH to your server, SFTP to your server using your SSH key, as we did in the previous tutorial. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and that's all we have to cover for the DigitalOcean Rails installation. Oh, and one more thing here. Here's your SFTP credentials to upload your webpage using FileZilla. You can use this stuff here. There's another way you can do this too. And you have your database stuff here, username, password, in the database, and Nginx additional information, and that's about it. So thank you everybody for watching this tutorial. If this has helped you with the basics on how to hurry up, how to get your DigitalOcean one-click installation of Ruby on Rails installed to your server, that's great. So please like, comment, and subscribe to this tutorial. And if this tutorial has helped you, or you need a DigitalOcean server, please press that referral link down there in the description, and you will receive a $10 credit on your next VPS. Thank you everybody, and have a great day.